So hi friends, Anmol Samsuhang here and welcome back to ARS Biologicals, and it's all about biology. So today you can see me holding this fruit. I think many of you know this fruit. We can say fruit or vegetable, and I'm having a good time in this small kind of area, we can say, where I used to grow this kind of vegetables. So today in this video we're going to discuss chayote. So friends, this fruit is known as chayote. It has other kinds of names. We can say this fruit has tons of different types of names, like mirliton, guisquil, pipilona, chou, and many other. So in India, people commonly call this fruit or vegetable as chou, and also as squash in the southern and the eastern India. So it is known among the Nepalese people or the people from Nepal. They called it iskus, and in different parts of the world it is called differently. So it was first cultivated by the Mesoamericans in the countries like Mexico and Guatemala. So in this video we're going to discuss this fruit, their structure, their cultivation, their uses, and the cooking methods. So let's get started, friends. So chayote is a vegetable or a fruit used in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. So I already told you that it was first cultivated by the Mesoamericans. So I also told you its different names. Okay, let me recall the names. It is also known as guisquil, mirliton, pipilona, chou, squash, and iskus. So friends, we can see these fruits. So talking about the structure of this plant, chayote is a climber plant. It is a climbing plant. You can see the vines here also. So it is mostly green in color. Most of the parts are in green in color, and you can see they have heart shaped leaf, which can range up to 25 to 10 centimeters in length. Also they can grow up to 30 to 25 centimeters in length. So friends, I'm going to show you the flowers. So okay, the flowers are like this. You can see the plant bears male flowers in patterns, or we can say in clusters, and solitary female flowers. So you can see these are the male flowers. So I cannot find any female flowers over here, so I only have the male flowers here. And let me also show you the plant's fruit, the main chayote which is used. So friends, as you all can see, this is the developing fruit, this is the flower, this is the leaves, and you can see it is heart shaped. So these are the young these are the young branches of this chayote plant, and you can see over here this is too young, this is just developing after being fertilized. So you can see these are the climbing vines. So they get, when they touch something, they coil into them just like this, giving support and strength to the plant. Watch it, friends. This is a beautiful plant. So friends, the fruits are light green in color. Not only the fruits, but the leaves, the branch, the vines, everything is green except the root. So you can see the fruit over here. Let me take it down. So friends, you can see the fruit over here. So it has got spines on the surface. It is roughly pear shaped and somewhat flattened with coarse wrinkles. You can see the fruit is wrinkled and have many spikes on them. So the length of the fruit, if I have to show you, I have a ruler, or we can say a scale over here. They can range up to 12 to 20 centimeters in length. So it is 12 centimeters in length. You can see friends, it is 12 centimeter in length, and some can grow up to 20 centimeters in length also. So friends, the fruit is mostly cooked and used, but some people can consume it raw as salads, but I don't like to eat it as a salad because I find it the mixture of potato and cucumber. Yes, talking about the taste, they taste like mixed up of potato and cucumber, and because of their rough texture or nature, they have to first be sliced off. The spikes have to be sliced off, and if someone wants to peel off their skin or the outer layer, they have to boil it and just peel it off, as we do to potatoes as the same. So friends, they are mainly fried and eaten. Soups are also made from this thing. Friends, as we know that the fruits are eaten, you can see the fruits are eaten, the developing vines and the branches. Let me show you. So friends, as you all can see over here, this is the developing branch, or we can say vines also. So friends, this is also eaten. Oh, wait a second, let me bring another one. So friends, this is what people also eat. So these are the developing vines, or we can say the branches of the chayote plant, which is very tender and fragile. So it is fried and eaten by the people. So you can see this is just somewhat like wild plants. Yes. So friends, this is what is eaten. So people consume this in the rainy and the summer season as the main vegetables, mainly in the hilly areas. So friends, this branch is also eaten by deers and other wild animals, mainly herbivorous animals. In my area, barking deers are common found commonly. They also feed on this, and they simply leave the area like this. Only the lower portion or the upper portion, they eat it and leave the lower portion like this everywhere where this plant is growing next to the wilderness. So friends, we have already discussed about the overground area, the shoot part, and moving underground or to the root part, we'll find the root structures only. And very surprisingly, over time, when the roots develop, they become large tuberous structure filled with starch. The plant uses that structure to store their starch, and that is also fried and eaten. Yes, humans do not leave anything, and it is quite tasty also. They are similar to the roots, or we can say the tubers of yam. You must have seen yam, or you have eaten also. So I have a yam plant here, yam plant, or we can say yam, something like that. So friends, you can see the framework is built to make an artificial support for the plant, so the plants can cling there and become like this. And lastly, talking about their medicinal uses, so squash or chayote have high amount of vitamin C, which makes them a good which makes them a plant with properties of gastrointestinal, cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory properties. So friends, those are the medicinal uses. So it is used for gastrointestinal system, the cardiovascular system and the anti-inflammatory externally also and internally also. So friends, this was all about chayote. And friends, how did you find the plant? So the day is good, and I think this much for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, keep learning.